Well guys, I was not gonna edit this video, but many of you wrote and told me that you wanted to see it, so here is the video. This time in downtown Miami, and I spotted this beautiful Benetti yacht called Lionheart. This is the yacht that it's owned by the owners of Topshop clothing manufacturer, and it's an incredible yacht. I have seen this yacht before in Monaco, but never in Miami. So I hope you like the video, and remember that I'm always going to be looking out for big yachts and nice things to show you. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, and I will bring you content constantly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.